If you own a business and you have the responsibility of classifying the people who help you as either an independent contractor or an employee, you might not think it's that big of a deal. Go ahead, classify them as an independent contractor so you don't have to run payroll, give them a 1099 and move on with your life. But that's actually not true. If you misclassify a worker, you could potentially be subject to civil lawsuits, criminal penalties, repayment of back wages, the list goes on. And to make it more complicated, multiple government authorities have their own ideas of how you should be classifying the workers. We have the Department of Labor, who is currently proposing a new rule with new standards on how to classify the employees. And then we have the IRS, and they have their own checklist of how they want you to classify a worker. And finally, we have your state authorities that each have their own individual rules. So look, if you're an employer, my advice is for you to take this seriously. It is not worth skipping over paying some payroll taxes and filing a few reports to be subject to all kinds of repercussions that could be devastating. And if you're an independent contractor and you'd like to keep it that way, make sure you know about the classifications as well.
This is legit. Zebra verified. Now, there are a lot of other things that a lot of business owners aren't doing correctly. One of the things I've noticed a lot lately is that you don't have directors and officers liability insurance, D&O, but you should.